Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Tammy.
Welcome to our home.
So we're back at you again with another pen unboxing. So come check it out.
Alright, so we're on our third segment of this big purchase we made, and we want to open these with you. Mind you, we haven't seen any of them, so you're looking at them at the first time with us. And so we've got, this sack has 50 or so pens in it. And so we're going to do like we did the last video, kind of just dump it out here, and then you guys can go through it with us. And so let's go ahead and start looking through them. How about that?
I already see one I want to open.
This one has never been opened. I don't want to know if I want to pull it out of the wrapper. Should I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not?
Why not? Check out this old ancient Rex pen. Right here. What a super cool pen. It's got the waffle backing. No date because it's so old. Did you see that?
Yeah, that's
That is
cool.
awesome.
This pen says 1989 Star Tours.
Wow.
That's an old pen.
That's an old Star Tours.
Oops.
Oh, the other day I think we got a mini that was rollerblading. Here's the Mickey.
Oh, yeah.
That matches it. Mickey rollerblading.
This is a birth month pen, and this is for July. So this is Minnie, and she has the birthstone of the month of July.
Here's a Tinkerbell. That would probably be for people who had teaching. Got the book and the apple. Super cool pen.
Now this was an old ride at Disneyland, if I'm correct. Flying saucers.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Flying Saucers was an old ride at Disneyland. It was one that Disney tried out for a little while, but it didn't really go over too well because some people got injured, and so they shut it down. That's back to the Michael Eisner time frame also. So check out this, very similar to Alien Swirl Saucer kind of ride. This here's an Indiana Jones pen. Super neat. Ooh, almost dropped it.
Here's a marathon pen from 2002. Oh, this one is so cool.
Here's an old Disney, old Key West resort pen.
Chris, you're gonna love this.
Super
You're gonna
neat.
love this pen. This is a legitimate Disneyland
Wow.
Mr. Toad's Wild Ride pen.
Yeah, that's an old Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. How sweet is that?
That's a cool
I
pen.
see one here that sparked my interest because I'm a big transportation fan for Disney. This looks like a transportation fan. Go ahead, I can't get it open.
Okay, this is a Morocco pen. So, once again, if you're an Epcot fan, it's a one of the countries around the world.
This is a monorail pen. See that? Disney World Resorts monorail.
Here, we already had this pen before, so this is a duplicate, but it's another Tarzan McDonald's pen. Oh, here is an Epcot Holidays Around the World pen from 2000 and 2001.
Here's a Mickey pen reminding you to buckle up. So that's kind of interesting. I don't think I've ever seen that.
That's funny. It's a Small World pen. Oh, you're gonna like this pen too.
This is a Magic Kingdom pen, 4th of July from the year 2000.
That's cool.
Super neat pen.
Here's a contemporary resort pen, and it has the monorail going through it, and the monorail moves. That's pretty cool. Look at that pen. I thought you would like that one.
That one's awesome.
It's pretty cool.
Super cool pen. So this one is super neat. Cole's gonna be super jealous. This one says, when people laugh at Mickey Mouse, it's because he's so human. And that is the secret of his popularity. Walt Disney. And it's just a quote pin.
That's cool.
Isn't that neat?
Here is a 2000 pin, and this is really strange. I've never seen a pin like this. So it's rubber, but then it has the pin posts on the back. So this like pin is completely rubberized with the pin posts.
Huh.
Isn't that weird?
That's super neat. This one here is a series. I've had a few of them. I know it's got a Tinkerbell in it and some others, and it's Crossbones in the middle, and it has a 5-pin set. This is the Goofy that goes to the set. Super neat.
Here's a Minnie Mouse pin. And I'm not really sure what this is about, but it's just Minnie and it's just kind of colorful.
Does it say anything on the back?
No, not really. It just has the date 2000 on it, and that's it. I mean, it's got waffle backing. But...
There's a Polynesian, like the sign, pin from the year 2000. Super neat.
This is another duplicate that Chris opened in a previous video. It's just a Epcot with the Mickey and the date 2000 on it.
This is a Club Disney pin. Super Dance Mania Mega Beat.
Here's a Mickey snorkeling pin.
This one's cool here. This is a Disneyland pin, and it's for Tomorrowland at Disneyland. That's a super neat pin.
Here's a Yacht and Beach Club pin. Oops. Here's the Celebrate Disney Future Hand in Hand 2000 pin.
Here's an All-Star Movies Resort pin. That's super neat.
This is another duplicate. This is a Mickey Safari pin.
You're talking about from one of the other...
Yeah, from a previous opening.
And it's okay if we get duplicates. That means it's stuff y'all can trade for if we kept it. And so
here's a duplicate for the Mickey Buckle Up.
here's a super cool duplicate from a few weeks ago, or almost a month ago. This is a Grand Floridian pin with Minnie, Mickey, and Pluto.
Here is a Creating Magical Experience Special Event Attractions Marketing pin.
Oh, this one's cool. This is a Disney's Living Seas Epcot pin.
Oh yeah, that's neat. Here is a 2000 pin again, another one of those. Those were popular pins.
I think this is a duplicate All-Stars Resort pin. So that one's super cool. It's got all three of the All-Star Resorts on one pin.
Say another one of the Living Seas pin. There's two of those.
Oh wow, this one's super neat.
Oh yeah. Here's a dapper looking Mickey.
This is a Disney, I don't know what all it says there. It's got a bunch of writing on the back, but it's Minnie Mouse looking like she's in a college outfit. Maybe yeah, it's got an M on it. Looks like maybe she's holding books or something. Super neat. I've never seen one of those.
Here is a Club Disney Super Dancing Mania Tokyo Disneyland pin.
Oh, this is a Disney Magic pin. Now we have not gotten that one, right?
Mm-mm.
That looks like a stamp, but it says Disney Magic.
Here is a Brer Fox Splash Mountain pin.
This is a Disney, Walt Disney World Year 2000 Celebration pin again.
Another 2000s Disney World Celebration pin.
I reached over and grabbed the one I thought looked the coolest from the back.
Cool.
What is that?
This
Pleasure
is a
Island?
Pleasure Island pin.
Oh, that's super neat.
Yeah.
This is, I don't know.
I don't know what that is. Oh, what does it say at the top? Does it say anything?
I don't think so.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
I'm not sure either. So check that out. I'm thinking maybe Polynesian or something. But I can't tell. Maybe Tiki Room. You guys comment down below. Let us know what you think that is. That's super neat. I'll have to do some research on that one.
And here, last but not least, is an All-Star Resort.
Yeah.
All-Star Sports Resort.
You're gonna make it, girl.
I'm telling you.
All right. So we appreciate you guys joining in. We're going to put up a spot here in the video where you guys can see what's available for trade. Looks like a few more than we had the previous week, and so hope you guys find what you're looking for here, and we look forward to trading with you. Don't forget, comment down below what you're interested in, and then we will comment back and get you guys to send us your traders, and then we'll work out a trade if at all possible. And so we really hope this is going to work out. We're able to help you guys trade, and you're going to help us fill some of our collection, and we can't wait to trade with you. And until next time, from our house to yours.